Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable S Pen Air Command Show Floating Icon on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, swipe down and tap on advanced features. Then tap on S Pen. Make sure you turn on S Pen. And then down here, tap on show floating icon to switch it on or off. So this is what happened when we switch it on. If you move your S Pen closer to the screen, there is this air command pop-up button that will appear on the screen right here. And from there you can quickly access the shortcuts. If we switch it off, then you can see even if I move the pen closer to the screen, that air command button does not show anymore. So that is what this show floating icon does, by allowing the float button to automatically turn on or turn off as soon as you move your pen closer to the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.